Doing your own gel manicure is so easy with Cherry Nails Beginner Kit. To get started, you'll need the beginner kit, which includes the Cherry Nails LED lamp, Milky's cuticle softener, cuticle pusher, Lupin sponge file, Lupin Eco Wood file, Feel So Good base gel, ombre top over pink gel, glass top gel, and Viva oil. You will also need two things not included in the kit: paper towel or any lint-free wipes, and rubbing alcohol. Got everything? Let's get started. We'll begin by prepping our nails. This step is really important as it will determine how long your manicure will last. If you take your time and not rush through prepping, you'll really see the difference. To start, we'll grab Milky's cuticle softener and spread it around the cuticle area to soften it up. Make sure to do this for each nail on each sides. Then, use the round tip of the cuticle pusher to push down your cuticles. The softener will have made it much easier to push your cuticles down with minimal force. Pro tip: pushing at a 45-degree angle or less will make this process a lot smoother for you. Having clean nail beds will make sure your manicure lasts longer and make it look more professional, so make sure not to rush this step. Don't forget the sides of the nail beds, since that's where you tend to get a lot of residue that can cause lifting of the gel polish. If there's any stubborn residue on your nail beds, you can use the sharper end of the pusher to gently remove it. Next, we're going to clean the nails from any cuticle residue using rubbing alcohol and a lint-free wipe. You can use a paper towel too, but in this video, we're using lint-free wipes cut up into smaller pieces. You're going to take the wipe, wet it with a bit of alcohol, and wipe the surface of your nails one by one. Make sure you get every corner so that there is no residue left on your nail beds. Wiping with alcohol will help ensure a longer application and less lifting. This is what your nail bed should look like. Next, we'll take the Lupin sponge file. Here you'll see two numbers, 100 and 150. This simply indicates that each side of the file has a different texture and level of grit. In this case, we'll use the bottom side, 100 grit, to buff the surface of our nails. The lower the number, the rougher it is. Depending on how thick or thin your nails are, you can choose which sides you want to use. Buffing your nail ensures the base gel adheres to your nails better, giving you a longer lasting manicure. This is what your nails should look like after buffing. No shine and looking matte. Now we're going to shape our nails. This is where you can explore which nail shape looks best on you. We're going to take the 180-240 grit Lupin Eco Wood file and gently file our nails to the shape that we want. In this video, we're going for an almond shape. When filing your nails, make sure to use long, gentle strokes to avoid nail damage. And just like that, we're done with the prep. Now's the time to get your LED lamp and plug it into a power outlet. We're going to apply the surface of the nails with alcohol one last time before applying the base coat. To start, you're going to grab the Feel So Good base gel. When taking out the brush, make sure to remove any excess gel by leaning the brush on the sides of the bottle before fully taking it out so that you use a minimal amount of product. Having too much gel on your brush will make it difficult to apply evenly, which we want to avoid as much as possible. You're now going to start applying the gel starting from the middle of the nail. Make sure you cover every corner of your nail, especially the edges close to your skin. The key is to apply thin coats of base and do it slowly with precision. If you find that your skin is getting in the way, try holding down the sides of your nail to ensure smooth application to the edges. And if you accidentally apply some gel on your skin, make sure to wipe it off before curing. Now it's time to cure the base coat in the lamp. Put your hand in the lamp and press the 30-second button to cure it. When positioning your hand in the lamp, make sure your thumb is pointing upwards to cure it properly. The thumb usually tends to get undercured when it's at a side angle. If you're worried about UV light exposure, you can apply sunscreen before prepping your nails or UV protective gloves before putting your hands in the lamp. When you're done curing, you will notice that the surface of the nails are still sticky. Don't worry, this is fully normal. When you cure your gel polish, you will always have this stickiness left, which is called the tacky layer. You just need to wipe it off with alcohol before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to apply the color. The ombre top over gel gives you that my nails but better look with a sheer pink color. Same as the base gel, make sure to remove any excess product before applying it to your nails. P.S. This is your reminder to breathe, take your time, and really enjoy the process. Here's one tip to make sure that the gel doesn't go over to your skin. When you get close to the cuticle area, push a small amount of gel towards the cuticle like we're doing here, rather than starting from it. It's okay to end up with having a tiny bit of space without gel near the cuticle, especially when you're still getting the hang of it. Once you're done your first layer, cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're going to go in with the second coat. Simply repeat the previous step of wiping your nails with alcohol, applying the second coat, and cure for 30 seconds. We usually recommend doing at least 2 coats of the gel to get proper color and an even texture. If you want to see more of that pink tint, we recommend applying multiple thin coats and curing for 30 seconds in between each layer until you get the perfect shade you want. We always recommend doing thin coats over thick to ensure that your gel has cured through fully. Time to seal everything in with the top coat using the Diami glass top. Remove any excess product with the sides of the bottle and start applying to your nails evenly. If your natural nails are on the thinner side, you can switch to the 99 seconds low heat mode, as you can experience heat spikes with the normal mode. What's really cool about this top gel is that it's a non-wipe gel. That means that you won't have that tacky layer after curing, so no need to wipe with alcohol. Now for the last and final step, grab the Viva oil and give it a good shake to mix. Apply the oil generously around your cuticles and rub it in to let it absorb and hydrate the skin. Here's the final product.